Hi, this is my submission for Project 0 Gold for CS61B. So what I did with my project was I added a spaceship, which you could control using the WASD keys. The spaceship is subject to the rules or all the gravity from the other planets, which are in the galaxy which you create. And you can set the mass of the spaceship itself. So here's the demo with the spaceship. I just made it 60,000 pounds. I'm not sure what an average weight, or 60,000 kilograms. I don't know what the average weight of a spaceship is. So if you leave it alone, then it'll just move around right now the sun, how it's supposed to move. But I'm going to start moving it with the WASD keys. And you can see that it is moving depending on which way, but it's still subject to the rules of gravity. And then since it collided with the center of the sun, it got shot away pretty far. So it's probably off screen. It can go off screen and you can drive it back just like the other planets, but it's probably too far. So I'll run it again one more time. Probably keep it on the screen for longer. So I'm gonna try to stay away from the sun because the gravitational force on the sun is hard. And something I learned or noticed was that in order to stay in one spot, you have to consistently be moving in order to counteract the gravitational forces which are being enacted on the spaceship. And now I'll demo the part where you can set the mass. So this third number over here, so the first two numbers are the same as in the project, but the third number, it is the mass itself. So right now it's obviously set at 60,000 kilograms, but we can make it heavier. And something to notice is that if we make it too heavy, then the gravitational force, which is exerted on the other planets, will be a lot higher. So then our spaceship could control the solar system itself. So now you can see that the sun is moving because our spaceship is pretty heavy. But even though our spaceship is pretty heavy, now the thrusters or the WASD movements, they do not have enough velocity to actually move it because it's so heavy. But this time we were not able to control it, but it's still moving the sun. The sun is not centered anymore, and all of the planets are moving based off of the spaceship itself. And the initial gravitational pull has created some disturbance, which is causing all of our planets to move around differently than they were before. Now I could run it on a separate file. I'll probably set it back to 60,000 so that we could still move the spaceship around. This time I was running it on a simple solar system. Maybe this time I'll run it on our Pluto.txt. So right now our spaceship is in the middle and I'm moving it to the left. Oh, and Pluto is probably gonna ruin. Okay. I'm moving it up. Wow, I think that was the point of Pluto. I can also run one last one. And I just chose a random file from the given ones, and then I can move the spaceship around over here, it seems like. Trying to bring it back in the screen. Oh, there it was. I moved it to the left, and then it went off. Maybe I could bring it back again if I move it to the right. Oh, there it comes back again. But it's obviously hard to get the spaceship stabilized. But that's my project, and that is my gold points for the project. Thank you.